Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I'm here to talk about a delicious treat that is good in more ways than one. These are the CHIMES Peppermint Chews. CHIMES is well known for making amazing ginger products that are so good for settling the tummy. I love these peppermint chews because they add the benefit of a refreshing peppermint, especially if you're not a huge fan of a strong ginger flavor, but you still get the benefits of ginger for your tummy. One of my teenage kiddos is actually going through chemotherapy right now, and when that is happening, there's a lot of things that can easily upset his tummy. I have loved having these on hand so that we can help settle his tummy naturally. He's not a huge fan of a strong ginger flavor, and so that's where these peppermint chews come in super handy. They give you all the benefits of ginger without such a strong ginger flavor. They have a nice chewy consistency and a strong, refreshing peppermint flavor. I also love the convenience of this larger 1-pound bag. CHIMES makes high quality ginger snacks and also delicious candies in a variety of flavors. You have to check them out. Of all of their yummy candies, one of our top favorites are definitely these peppermint chews. It's great to have a delicious treat that's also awesome for settling your tummy from anything that could be upsetting it, like motion sickness or travel, anything like that. We love them, and I think you will too. But that's my point of view.